Here's a super quick look at how to make this sparkling animation in Rive. So I'm going to start in a blank document, use the pen tool, start in the center of the canvas, and just make a straight line. I'll hit done editing, and I will give the shape, remove the fill, and add a stroke, make it thick so it's easy to see, and then inside the custom shape you can see the path. I'm actually just going to duplicate the path and then rotate it, and I'm gonna create several duplicates. I'm gonna rotate them into kind of random positions here so that when we animate them they don't just shoot all around the circle in order, which you could do if that's the effect you want. But I'm just gonna make 8 of these. That looks good. Start with that. So then on the shape itself, for the stroke properties, I'm gonna adjust the trim path. I'm going to set it to sequential, which means that once you give it some length by adjusting the start, and you can then adjust the offset, so you can see it will follow each of those paths. You can also set it to synced if you want it to have this kind of effect where it starts from the center and they all go in unison like that. But in this case we're going to do the sequential. So then in animate mode, go to my timeline, all I need to do here is key the offset point at 0 at the beginning of my timeline, and then at the end key it to 100, set this to a loop, and then when I play through it, you'll see it's going to go through each of those lines. And what it does is it plays through in the order of the paths that you have. So if you did have them going around in order, you could mix up the order here if you wanted to, or change it, and then you can get that. Once you have that set up, you can put them into a nested artboard, and you can have a ton of them going if you want to. You can layer them up, stack them up, you can add different colors, all kinds of cool stuff. It's a super quick 2-key method for getting that sparking effect.